Hello viewers, welcome to Civilworld 2.0 YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Autodesk AutoCAD Introduction. This is Sampath. This channel is created only for technical professional and freshers in the construction industry. If you are the new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and keep support my YouTube channel. If you are the fresher, this video for you to learn about Autodesk AutoCAD. I have taken 5 topics here. Introduction of CAD, industry usage, user interface, and function keys and coordinate systems. Introduction of the CAD. CAD is the commercial computer-aided design and drafting software. It is developed by Autodesk. In the first release, it is December 1982. It is a desktop app, not a mobile app. It is a core feature enable user to design faster and more efficiently. What are all the industries using AutoCAD means? Aerospace, customer products, manufacturing, medical device, industrial products, oil and gas industry, civil structural MEP industries, and textile, fashion and designing industries. You can see this is the user interface window. So always this is the application menu in all the softwares. Here you can see EA symbol. This is the application menu in Autodesk AutoCAD. So this is the quick access bar. You can use quick save as, new, open, print and everything, all those things you can customize also. So this is the quick access toolbar. This is the menu bars. If you go any software, you can see home, insert and everything. This row it is menu bar. Here infocenter, you can log in your username and you can check your help desk and everything. So you can purchase plugins and license and everything here. So this is the file tabs. You can see here start menu, start tab. If you are working more drawings means you can open more panels. Example drawing 1, it is the single panel window. So it is called file tabs. So this is the view control bar. You can use top, bottom and every views, and viewport, shared mode and realistic mode. You can use everything here. And this is the toolbar. Draw, modify, annotation, layers, these and all toolbars. So you can see this is the tools, properties itself. A lot of tools is there. You can call this is the tools. If you go draw menu bar, toolbar means you can see here line, polyline, circle and all tools. We can say tools. This is the property menu. You can view the general informations and geometry informations and everything here. You can see here models and layout 2 and everything. Depends on project requirement. You can open a lot of layouts and a lot of drawings you can produce. This is the drawing area. So this is the command bar. You can use command also directly, so you can use a shortcut also. So this is the command panel, and this one it is the drawing window and application status bar. You can use grids and non-grids and perpendicular snaps and everything, and annotative scales and settings, workspace settings and everything here. And this is a view cube. You can rotate the object whichever you are drawing or models and everything used by view cubes. And this is the navigation bar. You can expand and reveal and move object. You can rotate, orbit, This things, these tools and all here. And this is the properties palette. You can use additional um, additional tools here itself. So next one, it is function keys. You can see the keyboards itself, F1 to F12, there are called function keys. We can use here AutoCAD itself. F1 means help menu, and F2 means text screen, F3 means object snap, F4 means object 3D object snap, F5 means toggle isoplane, F6 means dynamic UCS, F7 means grid lines, F8 means ortho mode, and F9 means grid snap, and F10 it is polar tracking, F11 it is snap tracking, F12 it is dynamic input. You can switch on and switch off same function keys. If example you need a grid line means you can one time press F7 means it will be activated grid line, and again one more time you pressed means it will switch off this command. And next topic it is coordinate system. So in this CAD itself, two coordinate system is there. One it is we can call absolute coordinate system, and another one it is a relative coordinate system. Absolute coordinate system we can call global coordinate system, and relative coordinate system we can call local coordinate system. If you can see, this is the drawing origin. We can say in this location UCS icon 0 0 0. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. So it is the origin point. If we drawing one line somewhere means x value it is 1 and y value it is 4, 1 comma 4 we can say. So this is the absolute coordinate system. We are not done z values here. So 1 comma 4 it is the absolute coordinate system. This is the starting point, and the ending point it is 5 comma 4. So this is the absolute coordinate system. And relative coordinate system it is we can start the origin here or here, whatever. If you starting this point is the origin means we can use from here. So this is 200 meter. You need this point of the relative coordinate system means this is the x direction, this is the y direction means. So 0 comma 0 it is the origin. So x direction here 200 it is there. So x equal to 200 comma y direction it is here 0. So 200 comma 0, x it is 200 and y it is 0. We can call relative coordinates. So example, so if you go here means, so in this point you need relative coordinate system means, so x it is 200 and y it is 150. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment me on comment section. I will review your comment and I will upload your query related videos. If you would like to this video, like and share to your friend circle. Thanks for your support. Next topic is this drawing commands, modify commands, annotation and dimension style manager, text command and layers. See you soon with another tutorial.